peekaboo 25. I've had ED for around 13 years. Am I past the point where there's no restoring my libido? I assume your libido, when you say libido, that like sex drive, right? And I assume you're probably saying restoring my erection as well. And I love this question. It is not too late. It is men. It is not too late for you to get your erection back. Your penis is very plastic, is very flexible. No matter how long you have ED, you can get it back. You just have to rehabilitate it. And you are not past the point of not getting your erection back at all. You still can, because it's a muscle. If it's a muscle, it can be rehabilitated, but you have to put in the work, right? It's like losing weight. You have to put in the work, exercising and watching what you eat. There's no easy button when it comes to erection. I'm sorry, there's no easy button. So what is it you need to do? Well, first of all, you got to fix your foundation. First, your foundation is your body. You got to fix your foundation. How do you do that? You got to follow the Mediterranean diet. Follow the Mediterranean diet. So I'm putting Mediterranean diet QR code right here. So I want you to scan that. Follow the Mediterranean diet. It's a diet, lean meat, chicken, pork, fish, and you can eat red meat about once or twice a week, and lots of vegetables and fruit, less carb, all right? And number 2, do some type of exercise 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week, whether it's walking up and down the stairs, walking outside, biking, something to increase your heart rate for about 30 minutes. If you have time to be on the phone, then you have time to exercise. And third is make sure you get 7 hours of sleep every night, as much as you can. And fourth is use the penis pump. When you do your penis pump like this, when you put your penis in here, it suctions up and is giving you an erection right away. And when you do your penis pump, you bring in blood flow to the penis. You expand the penis muscle to have more oxygen, more flow. So that way you're preventing shrinkage to your penis. So this is working out your penis, taking your penis to the gym. And then the next thing you should do is start doing testicle massage. Yes? So check out my YouTube channel where I talk about testicle massage. It's essentially, here's the model of half a penis right here. It's essentially, here's your testicles. So you want to massage your entire testicles like this through your hand like this. Just massage all throughout, go up and down all throughout, and do it for like 2 minutes each. When you do that, why do you do that? All right? Why do you do that? You know, guys, your penis and your testicle is part of your body. There's no shame in touching it, okay? There is no shame in touching it. So you worship your penis and your testicle because they're a part of you. They're who you are, right? So why do you massage it? You massage it because when you massage it, you will make more testosterone, and you will pick up some of the testosterone that is in the scrotal sac. So it goes back to your bloodstream. You get more testosterone in your body. When you get more testosterone, it helps with erection. It also helps with sex drive. It also helps with building muscles as well. So I talk about penis pump and then testicle massage, and then you're gonna take arugula. This is our nitric oxide formula here that has pure arugula, and arugula gives you nitric oxide at the source. You don't have to make it yourself, and arugula help with increasing nitric oxide, which then help with increasing blood flow to the penis, right? Okay, modern man. You are not alone, and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself is exhausting. But here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence, no more trial and error, just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your term. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there. And then the last thing you should do is Kegel exercise. Kegel exercises is activating the muscles that are at the base of your penis right here. These two muscles right here. What these muscle does is that help the blood stay in the penis so you stay firm. All right, and it also helps with ejaculation. So how do you do the Kegel exercises? Like it's the same muscle that stop and start your urine stream. So when you urinate and you can start and stop it, start and stop it, those are the muscles that are the pelvic muscles that you need to be exercising. What you do is you want to squeeze it 20 times. It's very lightly. That's all you want to do is to squeeze that 20 times. You want to do it about 3 times a day. Why do you need to do that? Kegel is not only for women, it's for men. Why do you need to do that? Because it helps when these muscles are strong. Let me lift the testicle. These are the muscles. When these muscles are strong, it helps keep the blood in the penis because it creates almost like a constriction ring around the penis and help the blood stay in the penis. So that way you remain firm, so you don't lose your erection. The number one reason why men have ED is that they can get an erection, but then they lose it, okay? So when you are strong, when your pelvic muscles are strong, it creates a constriction around the base of the penis here, but the blood stays in the penis so it doesn't drain out. That's how your erection is firm, and that's how you can maintain your erection. That's how you don't lose your erection. Does that make sense? All right. So I know it's a lot, but you got to put in the work, right? Penis pump. How often you do it? Every day. And you want to pump it up. You want to pump it up until your erection at around 90%, but you don't want to go more than 10, which is right here. You don't want to go more than 10, but by the time you reach 5, your erection is pretty full. So you want to go slowly in the beginning, very, very slow. How you do the pump is go very, very slow and then stop, go slow, then stop until you have about 90% erection. That's it. That's all you need to do. It works and it works very well. Yes, you have to do the work, but you have to do the work and you have to put in the time because something is as your erection, you need to rehab and you need to take care of it. It's probably one of your most important organ in your body, right? So I just want to reassure you, Peekaboo, that you can still regain your erection back. You can still have your erection power. You got to do the work. I just given you the formula and how to do it. All right. All you have to do is get the penis pump. Right. Get the arugula, the nitric oxide here at the Monoman crib at this QR code right here. And then you can email us. I'm going to give you you can download Mediterranean diet here. This QR code. Take it out, download it. And then you can also download the Kegel exercise right here. It's called the stand-up hard exercise right here. This is a QR code. I can give you instructions how to do the Kegel. Watch my YouTube video. Subscribe to my channel so that way I show you on the video on how to do Kegel exercises, okay? I give you everything you need to have, guys. Really is. I truly believe if you do that protocol, Peekaboo, you will see improvement. Also, download the Good Morning Wood Smoothie formula right here, the QR code. Download that because the Good Morning Wood Smoothie formula will actually help increase more blood flow for better erection. Everything works together to increase blood flow and to keep the blood in the penis for a functional erection. I hope I've given you some roadmap and some guidance, Peekaboo. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. Okay, modern men, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself, it's exhausting. But here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your terms. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.